and today I'm here to present a PowerPoint presentation on concept, importance, process of organizing, and delegation of authority. Before moving further, we have to know what is organizing. According to Lewis A. Allen, organization is the process of identifying and grouping of the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationships for the purpose of enable people to work most efficiently. Next. And please next slide. Now, our next topic is importance of organizing. Performance of the organizing functions can pave the way for a smooth transitions of the enterprise in accordance within the dynamic business environment. The significance of the organizing functions mainly arises from the fact that it helps in the survival and growth of an enterprise and equips to the meet various challenges. And please next slide. So now, the next topic is the following points highlights the crucial role that organizing plays in any business enterprise. First, benefits of specialization. Organizing leads to a systematic allocation of jobs amongst the workforce. Second, clarity in working relationship. The establishment of working relationships clarifies lines of communication and specifics who is to repeat to whom. Third, optimum utilization of resources. Organizing leads to the proper usage of all material, financial, and human resources. Fourth, adaptation to change. The process of organizing allows a business enterprises to accommodate changes in the business environment. Fifth, effective administration. Organizing provides a clear description of jobs and related duties that helps to avoid confusion and duplication. Now, our next topic is process of organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and regulating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationships for the purpose of enabling people to work effectively together in accomplishing objectives. Now, here are the steps in the process of organizing. First, identification and division of work. The first step in the process of organizing involves this identifying and dividing the work that has to be done in accordance with previously determined plans. Second, departmentalization. Once work has been divided into small and manageable activities, then those activities which are similar in nature are grouped together. Third, assignment of duties. It is necessary to allocate work to various employees. Against departments have been performed, each of them is placed under the charge of an individual. Now, fourth and the last point, establishing reporting relationship. Merely allocating work is not enough. Each individual should also know who he has to take orders from and who to whom is accountable. Thank you all. Now, I would like to call Rashi for further explanation.
Thank you, Subhanshi. Now, the another topic is delegation of authority. The delegation of authority is an organizational process wherein the manager divides his work among the subordinates and gives them the responsibility to accomplish the respective task along with the responsibility. Next slide. Next is principle of delegation. It is a process through which a manager assigns responsibility to the subordinate to carry out the work on his behalf. Also, a certain authority is delegated to the subordinate to the extent which is sufficient to accomplish the assigned responsibility. And the second last topic, elements of delegation of authority. It is a process through which manager assigns responsibility to the subordinate with a certain level of authority. That is, power to take decision in order to accomplish certain assignments on the manager behalf. Now we are discussing about the difference between elements of delegation of authority. First point, in authority, it is right to command. In accountability, it is an obligation to perform an assigned task. In responsibility, it is due to perform work. Now the second point, in authority, it can be delegated to subordinates. In accountability, it can't be completely delegated. In responsibility, it can't be delegated. Now the second last point, in authority, it arises due to high or top position of organizational. In accountability, it arises from authority delegated. In responsibility, it arises due to assigned work. Fourth point, it flows downward from superior to subordinates. In accountability, it flows upward from subordinate to superior. In responsibility, it flows from top to low. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Next,